My seminar topic is on general factorial designs with K factors. The overview of the general factorial with K factor is consists of model analysis of a general designs, informal methods, and informal methods, observation method, ranking method, and then range methods. General factorial designs with K factors. The model for a K factor full factorial design contains 2 power K minus 1 effects. This includes K main effects with 2 power K factors. Here 2 power K 2 factor interactions. For example, there are 3 factors A, B, and C at A, B, and C levels respectively, and all replications are the model. The expression for the 3 factor design is y of I j k l is equal to mu plus alpha I plus beta j plus gamma eta k plus gamma of a b of I j plus gamma of ac of k j I k plus gamma of bc of j k plus gamma of abc I j k plus e of I j k l. Here model parameters are y of I j k l is the response in the I l replication with the factors a, b, c at the levels I, j and k respectively, where mu represents the mean response. Alpha of I is the effect of factor a at the level I. Beta of j is equal to effect of factor b at level j. Eta of k is equal to effect of factor c at the level k. Gamma of ab of ij is the interaction between the a and b levels and level between a and b at the levels I and j, where gamma of abc ijk is the interaction between a, b, c at levels I, j and k, and so on. Analysis of a general design. Here analysis of a full factorial design with K factor is similar to that with the 2 factor presented we are discussed earlier. The parameters can be estimated from the mean taken along with the various dimensions, like mu is equal to y bar of then alpha of I is equal to yi minus y bar. The sum of space, degrees of freedom, and f test also extended as expected. Consider example in a study to quantify the effect of various factors on the paging processing. The full factors with the 3x3x3x3 experiments, that is 3 power of 4 experimental design was used. The factors was main memory size, program, deck arrangement, and replacement algorithm. The effect of 4 factors each at the level 3 was used. The factors and their levels are listed in this table. Here the design consists of a total of 81 experiments, for which the number of pages swapped was measured. The measured values are listed in this table. It is seen from this table that the number of pages swapped has a wide range. The ratio of Ymax divides Ymin is 23,134 divides 32, or it's about 723. This suggests that we should try using a log transformation of the data. This confirmed also by the observation that as a factor is changed from one level to the next level, the change in the response is approximately proportional to the response. A log transformation was therefore used. The transformed data, which was called log page swaps, it was shown in this table. The effects was various factors and their interactions can be obtained by averaging along the various axes. For example, the effects of algorithm factor A at the level 1 is obtained as follows. Other main effects are listed in this table. In addition to the main effect, there are six two-factor interaction, four three-factor interaction, and one four-factor interaction. The sum of squares of these effects and the percentage of variations are explained in this table. Notice that most of the interactions are small, and the only interactions that explain more than 1% variation is 1% variation. The interaction between the depth level and the memory size. Therefore, all other interactions were considered negligible, and the following simplified model was used to represent the paging process. This is the expression we are using for paging process. Here, where mu is the represents the grand mean, alpha of I represents the effect of A, beta of J represents the effect of D, gamma of K represents the effect of P, and delta of N represents the effect of M. Here, the interaction between D and M is represented by a E of J. The estimated values of these interactions at various combinations of factor D and M are shown in this table. The difference between the estimated response using the model and the measured response is the error. The errors in the all 81 observations are shown in this table. Errors in the computation. The normal quality and quantity plot of the residual is as shown in this graph. The plot is almost a straight line. There is one observation that is the significantly away from the line followed by other points. This experiment was repeated to verify that it was not a mistake. Thus, it was concluded that observation do satisfy the following multiplicative model. This is the final model of the case study we are considered example. Here, notice that this is the good way to summarize the model. There are three informal methods in that we are considering observation method. For explaining this, we are considering it is response variable of higher best or a lower best metric, and the goal is to simply to find the combination of factors with the level that produces the best response. Then the simple look at the mean response column with sufficient to find the answer. The experiment corresponding to the highest response or the lowest response is formed, and its level gives the desired combination. If there are other response which are close to best response, then the factor levels common to all such response provide the desired answer. This is consider this example. We have already studied this example in the previous chapters. Consider the purpose of the study was to find the best factor level at the maximum throughput for the cases of jobs, namely word processing, interactive data processing, background and the data processing. The factor level in the 16th experiment was used proof of 5-1 design, and the throughputs were obtained or listed against in this table. For simplicity, let us consider the word processing jobs whose throughputs are listed in the column labeled by TW. The maximum throughput is 28. The factor level corresponding to this throughput have been circled in the table. The next highest throughput in the column is 27. The levels are circled in the throughput. Notice that in both the rows factor A is at the level -1, the factor B is at the level 1, and the factor E is at the level 1. But the remaining two factors changing their levels between their two values. The conclusion of this observation is that to get high throughput for word processing jobs, there should not be the preemption. The time slice should be large, and the failures should be an easy portable. The setting for the cube assignment and requiring do not matter. Ranking method. The ranking method is similar to the observation method, except that experiments are written in the order of increasing or decreasing response to that of the experiment, with the best response to first and worst response to the last. Conclusion: if A is equal to -1, the good for word processing and jobs, and also that A equal to 1 is bad. Range method. The one way to find out the importance of the factor in the model is to find the percentage of variations explained by the factor. Another simpler informal alternative is to find the average response corresponding to at which level of the factor, and find the difference between the maximum and the minimum of such averages. Thank you. Questions?
What do you mean by ranking method?
Ranking method is similar to the observation method, except that experiments are written in the order of increasing or decreasing. In the order of increasing or decreasing response to that of the experiment, with the best response is first and the worst response is the last. Thank you.